siya. Ang galing. Ganda. I-light. This is it. Titingnan natin na yung reaction ng alaga ko kung anong reaction niya nito pagbigay ko. This is her graduation gift. Ito yung graduation gift ko sa kanya, yung box. Yung bulaklak naman, bigay ng friend niya. So, gusto niya i-keep yung bulaklak. So, ginawa natin ng paraan. And tingnan natin kung anong reaction niya ngayon pag uwi. So excited. Wait a minute. Hello. Wow, you're so good. I have to show you something.
What?
Ta-da!
Oh my god!
Do you like it?
Yes! Oh my god!
What do you think? It's nice?
Nice!
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you're so wet.
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
Yeah. And I brought some food back. The dumplings and the rice.